If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome everyone back to my channel. We're here with another Nakamoto Games update, a very exciting one. If you remember from the last one back on the 8th of January, I always post a picture over on my Twitter with the video so you know where price is during that call. And make sure you're following me over here anyway. Louis_crypto is my name with the blue tick, but make sure you're using the links in the description and pinned comment section of each video to get over there, as there are fake accounts, so you don't want to stumble across one of those pages by accident. So in the last YouTube update, we were down at this key level of support, and yes, there was a possibility of going lower, but as this was a previous resistance and we had just broken out, putting a new high, and all you're doing is basically coming back to that previous resistance just to flip it into support. And without seeing a bearish cross here, I was suggesting that we are going to see an EMA repel. And what does that consist of? A massive slingshot motion, where we actually reclaim these moving averages, and then the next step is confirming them as support. If we go over to what Naka has done since that very video, we reclaimed the moving averages. We did not get a bearish cross, and this is called an EMA repel, and we pretty much gave this 22% move totally free here on the channel, with a lot more to come. We're only just getting started. If you remember from the last update, make sure if you haven't yet supported the channel, do so in underneath every video. Like it, comment underneath it, and share the update. If you're not yet subscribed, please also do so. We're trying to hit 8k as quick as possible. I think we can do that before February. Let's see if we can. Now that we have reclaimed the moving average, it's important to confirm them as support, because a reclaim, it's all well and all unless we're confirming it. Now that would mean us getting rejected from where we are right now, unless this huge news that's coming out today about the ETF going live in a few hours. From when you watch this video, it might already be out, but you know, we are expecting upside. Everything is setting up bullish. A lot of coins are bullish today. I've made a Bitcoin update talking about a 50k target that's coming very soon. This is in anticipate. Well, this is just the TA talking about giving us these clues that we are looking for further upside, right? But all of these fundamental news events can always go wrong. We can expect it to be bullish. You know, the assumption is, you know, if an ETF goes live, so there's going to be more eyes on Bitcoin now going forward, and so you'd assume it's going to be bullish, but it might not happen instantly. We might get a rejection at first. So if we do get rejected from this location, if we go over to the fresh chart right now, we need to see the 20 and the 55 hold. So the price is $1.60, my apologies, $1.60 to $1.67. If we do get a rejection off of this news, that's the level that needs to hold, and for us to confirm this EMA repel that has of course happened. And then we are looking eventually for a break of this golden box. It's $2 that we need to reclaim, really. It's a psychological level up here, and then once $2 is reclaimed, then we're off to the next target, $2.42, and then of course $6 afterwards. If you remember my last video, because for many months now we've been in a technical target up to there. It's very close to our previous high, $7, so we assume it will also get met as well. It's just $1 away from the target of $6, and this target comes all the way back from here, this inverse head and shoulders pattern. And it was back in, I think, August or September time that we called this. Equally on injective protocol as well, and we are currently sitting at a 250% gain, and I think inject is like a 350% gain, with our technical target from the breakout being a 1000% move given here free on the channel. And then as you've seen, we're already 250% up on that. As I explained in the last update, we were just pretty much coming back down to this 20 daily moving average, and that was one of the other main reasons why I believed that we were going to pump from that location. And we've now also seen a 22% move from that video. So let me know in the comment section below if you profited on this move. If you want to get educated, then I do have things in place, whether it's a course, an ebook, or my Discord community where we do group calls where I teach you, or if you want to sit with me one-to-one over Zoom, for example, and I'll teach you over 3, 5, or 10 hours. It's down to you what you want to decide. Just private message me over on Twitter. You now have my details. It's Louis_crypto, but you can use just the links down below. Make sure on your way out to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I want to know your thoughts. Do you think this ETF news, when it first comes out, will push price down, or will we just continue rallying through this location and just head to the next target, $2.42. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Peace. I've got a whole bunch of educational content, and over here on the website you can see loads of other people taking action recently. If you want to get educated, simply scroll underneath the video, click take action or Linktree, and click the option that you want to read more about, or private message me on Twitter. Let's start off with the ebook. This is where you can take action on my ebook, teaches the exact strategy. Head over to the membership level if you want to become a Discord channel member, where you have access to 2 weekly group mentorship calls, or if you want to take action on my 6-hour long pre-recorded course, there's an offer here, and you do get Discord chat for 2 months totally free. Here is my beginner one-to-one mentorship plan, which includes 3 hours of my one-to-one help, the course, and 2 months free in the chat. And there are some other plans here for 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help. Use the links down below to private message me on Twitter, or head straight to the website using one of these links to take action. Cheers.